Hey guys, just finishing off reading the Maggid Mishnah. So we said that it seems like the Rambam doesn't make a distinction like Rashi does. Rashi says the difference between the two, between Derech HaPetach and not Derech HaPetach. So how do we explain how the Rambam interprets the Gemara? The first interpretation was the Rambam thinks the two Braitot disagree. Braitot Cholkot. Braita number 1 says there's no difference. Braita number 2 says there is a difference between Derech HaPetach and not Derech HaPetach, and the Rambam follows Braita number 1. The Efshar Gam came, but it's also possible Shehu Mefaresh Braita that the Rambam explains the Braita, the Amar Machtarto Zohi Hatrato, the Braita that said the tunnel is his warning, Bipanim Acherim. Maybe he doesn't think the Braita disagree with each other, he just disagrees with Rashi's interpretation. Rashi had said this phrase, Machtarto Zohi Hatrato, means there's a difference between a tunnel and a backyard entrance. But the Rambam said, the Lav L'Me'ute Derech HaPetach Liba'i Hatra'a. The Rambam doesn't interpret this phrase as it's not coming to exclude L'Me'ute Derech HaPetach, a doorway libai hatra'a from requiring hatra'a. It's not saying that Rashi thought this means Bamachteret doesn't need a warning, but other ways need hatra'a. Ella kol ganav harehu kebab Bamachteret. That the Rambam just disagrees with how Rashi interprets the Gemara, and that the Rambam would think that there's no distinction between a Bamachteret and it's using Bamachteret as an example. That a break-in doesn't need an intruder doesn't need a warning. Not that specifically a Bamachteret break-in doesn't need a warning. Ma Bamachteret bal harog v'zohi hatra'ato. So just like a Bamachteret comes to kill v'zohi hatra'ato, and that serves as his warning. Af kol ganav kach. Every other thief is like that also. So the two things we've seen in the Maggid Mishnah. So let's just look at these questions. What are the potential ways the Maggid Mishnah suggests that we can understand how the Rambam understands the second Braita in our Gemara? So, according to approach number 1 over here, they said the Braita Cholkot, that Braita number 2 disagrees with Braita number 1. Braita 2 thinks that there's a distinction between Derech HaPetach and non-Derech HaPetach, and the Rambam says, Braita 2, you're wrong, there's no distinction. Or, that the second way is that Braita number 2 is just teaching you that breaking in is a warning. Rashi thought it meant a specific, that a tunneler is a warning, but a backyard entrance is not a warning. The Rambam just disagrees with Rashi's interpretation. He says, no, the Gemara's not introducing this Braita is not introducing a distinction. It's just saying that breaking in is a warning. So according to the second approach, how does the Rambam's approach differ from Rashi? Rashi thinks Machtarto Zohi Hatra'ato means a tunnel and not anything else serves as a warning. Rambam just says it means like a break-in serves as a warning. All right, good luck on the test, guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.